Hello viewers, today we start lecture on environmental engineering. This is our sixth lecture which is based on air pollution. Air is also essential to all living beings as same as water. So there is an axiom that pure water is the world's first and foremost medicine. And I think that this axiom is also applicable for air. According to an estimate, a human need is up to 12 kg of air per day to live. Consumption of air is 12 to 15 times more than the amount of food consumed per day per person. Now you can understand by yourself that even a small amount of pollutant present in the air is enough to make you sick. Therefore, we can define air pollution in such a way that the concentration of pollutants, that means harmful substances in the air, increases so much in solid, liquid and gaseous forms, including noise, that it becomes a threat to the life of all living beings. The pollution is again bifurcated into two: natural and man-made air pollution. Natural air pollution is caused by volcanoes or forest fires. A recent example of such air pollution is that a few days ago a fire in the forest of Australia had brought the level of pollution in the continent to its peak. Man-made air pollution is caused by anthropogenic activities such as burning of fossil fuels, reduction in the area of forest due to urbanization, etc. I would like to draw attention to is that the effect of human pollution remains in atmosphere for a longer time than the natural air pollution. The effect of human pollution remains in atmosphere for a longer time than the natural air pollution. Then we come to types of air pollutants. Air pollutants are also bifurcated in two parts. First one is primary air pollutants, that is harmful substances that are directly emitted from the sources into the atmosphere are called primary pollutants. And secondary pollutants are harmful substances that are not directly emitted from the source, but these secondary pollutants are formed as a result of reaction of primary pollutants with molecules present in the atmosphere. There are 5 major materials released into the atmosphere in unmodified forms. These are list of 5 primary pollutants. First one is oxides of nitrogen. There are 7 oxides of nitrogen that can be found in ambient air, but our main concern with NO and NO2. The main reason for the presence of these oxides in the outdoor air is fossil fuels combustion in vehicle engine, whereas presence of these oxide in the indoor environment is caused by use of tobacco smoke and gas, wood, oil, kerosene and coal burning devices. The maximum average concentration of NO2, nitrogen dioxide, in the atmosphere should be approximately 40 microgram per meter cube. Concentration of oxides of nitrogen beyond permissible level may cause great respiratory discomfort and in some cases leading to quick deaths. Then we come to Oxides of sulfur. The basic air pollutants in the category of oxides of sulfur is sulfur dioxide. Important factors that impart SO2 in the environment are as below: burning of fossil fuels containing sulfur, coal and oil based thermal power plants, open burning of garbage by municipal corporations, and petroleum refineries. The maximum average concentration of sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere should be approximately 50 microgram per meter cube. Exceeding its permissible concentration of sulfur dioxide poses a major problem for asthmatic patients because higher concentration of SO2 reduces the amount of oxygen in the body and increases the breathing rate. Now the third primary pollutant is carbon monoxide. Whenever organic materials such as wood, coal, fossil fuels, etc. are not fully burned, they transmit CO gas into the atmosphere. Their hourly weighted concentration should not exceed 4 milligram per meter cube. Otherwise, it is extremely harmful to animals in which oxygen is circulated through hemoglobin. Fourth one is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons compounds are consisting of carbon and hydrogen atom. Hydrocarbons are mixed in the environment due to evaporation of petroleum products or incomplete burning of them. Improving engine design can reduce vehicular hydrocarbon emissions. Now the important one, fifth one is suspended particulate matter. The particulate matter is basically small pieces of solids and liquid droplets. Natural agencies like volcanic eruption, dust storm, etc. and anthropogenic activities such as mining, industrial processes are invariably introduce the suspended particulate matter into the environment. The suspended particulate matter in air may prove too harmful for human health because particulate matter accumulation in lungs causing respiratory problems. Total suspended particulate matter and respiratory suspended particulate matter are measured during air pollution monitoring. We have main emphasis about PM 2.5, that is respiratory suspended particulate matter, which is having size less than equal to 2.5 micron meter. The maximum annual consumption of PM 2.5 is up to 40 microgram per meter cube, and PM 10 having size less than equals to 10 micron meter, and maximum annual concentration is up to 16 microgram per meter cube for PM10. From this exercise, next turn we will start secondary air pollutants.